Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add payment icons on Shopify Store Footer. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your internet browser on your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then you open myshopify.com and make sure as well that you have logged into your account. Once you are on your browser this time, you're going to go to Sales Channel, but before that, go and click on Settings on the lower left, and then go to Payments. This one over here. Once you are here, you will see all the payment providers. Now click on Choose a Provider. Wait for the website to load, and then in here over at Payment Methods, you will click on the drop down. In here, you can check on anything that you want to be using. In this case, let's check on Apple Pay. It is in this area where you can choose your card and that it will be shown on your theme page. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.